Go ahead.
My game is pretty simple. It's a fruit catching game.
Fruit catching?
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's 3 levels. And on the last level, there's bad fruits that you can't catch, and if you catch them, you get
Okay. Welcome to Fruit Catcher. Sorry, I can't read it anymore. Use arrow keys to catch fruits. Avoid, what's that say, trash?
Yeah.
Collecting trash means instant game over. Press P to play. All right. Okay. Ooh. So is this another level? Level 2? Oh, so we're going faster. Was that trash?
Yeah.
All right. Cool. Anything else?
So that's it.
Anything you're struggling with?
Um,
Let's have someone play the game too.
wait. Does anybody want to play?
Who wants to play? Arib, can you catch some fruit? Yeah. All right, Arib's gonna try to catch some fruit. Don't catch the trash, Arib.
That'd be embarrassing.
You had to put your hat on for the video. Is that what you did?
All right.
All right, here he goes. Here he goes. Ooh, get the bananas. Get the bananas. Ooh. So if you miss any, do they come back out of the, from the top?
No, that's one thing I tried to.
They just lose them? What'd you do? Just catch trash?
Yeah, I thought that was no.
Do it again. Try it again.
All right, gotcha. Awesome.
Now you've had practice.
It's true here.
Let's zoom in. Yeah, it looks better on a white screen. Can't see your backgrounds.
That's good though.
Okay. All right. Nice job.